It's no secret that Asians tend to have beautiful, shiny hair. But how? Today, we're diving into the world of ancient Chinese hair secrets so you can also achieve healthy hair. Let's go! Ginseng. Chinese have been using ginseng for centuries to promote overall health and vitality. This mighty little root can do wonders for your hair too. How? Ginseng is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that can help strengthen your hair and even stimulate growth. Here are a few ways you can use ginseng for potential hair growth. Ginseng extract or oil. You can find ginseng extract or oil at health food stores or online. Dilute a few drops with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or jojoba oil. Massage this mixture into your scalp for a few minutes and leave it on for a few hours or overnight before rinsing it out. Repeat this process regularly. You can even mix a few drops with your favorite shampoo or conditioner. Ginseng tea rinse. Prepare a strong ginseng tea by steeping ginseng root or ginseng tea in hot water for about 30 minutes. Allow the tea to cool down and then use it as a final rinse after shampooing your hair. Pour the tea over your scalp and hair, gently massaging it in, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it out with water. This rinse can help improve blood circulation in the scalp. So go ahead and let those powerful ginseng nutrients work their magic to strengthen and nourish your hair. Goji berries. For centuries, Chinese have been using natural remedies to improve overall health and well-being. These little berries have been discovered for their ability to nourish and strengthen the body, including the hair. How? These little red beauties are packed with incredible nutrients like vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair. They strengthen your strands and help them grow long and luscious. Goji berries also contain antioxidants, the bad boys which protect your hair from damage and keep it looking shiny and fabulous. The best part about goji berries is how versatile they are. You can snack on them raw, make smoothies, and even brew them into a delicious tea. You can also use goji berries in hair masks and treatments, and if you're feeling extra fancy, you can even use goji berry oil in your hair care routine. So if you want to give your hair a royal treatment, reach for some goji berries and watch as your locks become healthy and shiny. Rice water. Rice water has gained a lot of attention in recent years, but Chinese have been using rice water for centuries. Why is it so effective? Rice is not only a must in the Chinese diet, but it also contains a plethora of nutrients that are great for your hair. When rice is soaked in water, those nutrients are released, which creates a magical elixir that can work wonders on your hair. It greatly nourishes your strands, strengthens and protects the hair and scalp, as well as promote growth. What else? Rice water also contains inositol, a carbohydrate that can penetrate the hair shaft and repair damage from the inside out. So if you've been frying your locks with heat tools, rice water can help to undo the damage and give your hair a much-needed boost. First, take 1 cup of rice and rinse it twice with water. This step is important to remove any bad residue from the rice. Next, place the rice in a glass jar and add 2 cups of clean water. Close the jar, mix it around a bit, and then let it sit on the counter for 1 to 2 days. After the 1 to 2 days are up, spray or pour onto your hair after washing with shampoo and conditioner. Leave it in for about an hour before rinsing it out. Repeat this once or twice per week for best results. Who knew the secret to having the healthiest hair in town is as easy as soaking up some rice? Enjoying these tips? Hit that like button. YouTube will share this video with more people to help them as well, all thanks to you. Camellia oil. This oil is the bee's knees when it comes to hair health. Chinese have been using this silky smooth oil for centuries to nourish and protect their luscious locks. With high levels of fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, camellia oil helps prevent breakage, promotes shine, and strengthens hair from the root to tip. Simply warm up a small amount of oil in your hands and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash and style as usual. Healthy, happy, and oh so gorgeous hair courtesy of camellia oil. Black sesame seeds. This one is another holy grail of hair care since ancient Chinese culture. These little seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with hair-loving vitamins and minerals like biotin, iron, magnesium, and calcium. They can help strengthen hair strands, reduce hair loss, and improve overall hair health. Plus, they taste delicious. So next time you're whipping up a stir-fry or baking some bread, toss in some black sesame seeds and let your hair enjoy the benefits. Go ahead and sprinkle them on your meals like they're magical hair-growing stardust. Salad, soup, smoothie, yogurt, boom! Instant hair growth, potentially in every bite. You can also use black sesame seed oil as a scalp treatment or hair mask. Massage a few drops into your scalp or mix it with your favorite hair conditioner for an added hydration boost. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, try making a DIY hair mask using black sesame seeds and other nourishing ingredients. How? Grind black sesame seeds into a fine powder. Mix the powder with a carrier oil like coconut oil, olive oil, and optionally, add some yogurt or honey for added moisture. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, making sure that it is evenly distributed. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to an hour. Rinse your hair thoroughly with water and shampoo as usual. There you have it. Embrace the sesame seed charm. Pro tip: make sure to detangle your hair before using hair oils, rinses, or masks from these ancient Chinese secret ingredients. This way, it'll be more effective and coat your hair strands better. You'll be amazed by TangleGenie. TangleGenie removes knots and tangles in seconds. Our new 360-degree technology allows the flexible bristles to flow in and around the hair, feeling no pain. And the best part? It helps prevent breakage. Give it a try for tangle-free and healthy-looking hair. Mulberry. Another secret behind the luscious locks of Chinese beauties is mulberry. This wonder plant is packed with hair-loving nutrients and antioxidants that nourish your strands from the inside out. To reap its benefits, simply brew some mulberry tea and let it cool. Then, after shampooing and conditioning, pour the tea over your hair and massage it in. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. You can also massage some mulberry oil into your scalp to strengthen your strands from the root. And hey, don't forget to snack on some yummy mulberries for a dose of hair-loving vitamins and minerals. So if you want to rock a gorgeous head of hair like a true Chinese goddess, get your hands on some mulberry and let the good hair days roll. Angelica root. The ancient Chinese were obsessed with angelica root for their luscious locks thanks to its essential vitamins and minerals that your hair craves. Angelica root has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years for its amazing health benefits. It's said to promote blood circulation and nourish the body from the inside out. And when it comes to hair, good blood flow means healthy hair growth. So grab some dried angelica root from your local health food store or online. Then boil a handful of the root in water for about 30 minutes to create a potent hair tonic. Once it's cooled, strain the mixture and massage it into your scalp and hair. Let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing it out with warm water. If you want to channel your inner Chinese empress or emperor, consider giving angelica root a try. Want to stay up to date on all the best tips to achieve healthy, luscious hair? Yeah, we think you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Chinese hibiscus. Ancient Chinese knew what they were doing when they used this magical plant. This vibrant flower is packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair from root to tip, leaving it strong, shiny, and luscious. Just brew some Chinese hibiscus tea by boiling the dried flowers in water until it's a rich red color. Let it cool, strain out the flowers, and you've got yourself a potent hair tonic. Plus, with its gorgeous red hue, you'll look like a total bombshell with a head full of Chinese hibiscus-infused locks. Massage the tea into your hair and scalp and let it sit for a bit, and then rinse it out. You can also mix the tea with your favorite hair oil for an extra nourishing treatment. Your hair will thank you. Know of any other ancient Chinese hair care secret? Let us know in the comments below. We love sharing tips with everyone. And be sure to check out this video right here about ways to use rosemary tea to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Happy hair pampering!